How you doing, guys? Today we have a Ford high security and we're gonna pick it in less than a minute. I will show you how. Let's start. So for picking tool, I'm gonna use the Lishi AGU 101 10 cuts. It have positions from 1 until number 10. There is also 5 depth from 1 to number 5. So we're going to start by sliding the Lishi inside the lock, and we're going to apply a little bit of pressure on the tension wrench, and we're going to start feeling those pins. If we feel the pins springy, we do not touch it. Only pins that they are binding and we don't feel any spring, we need to pick. The pressure on the tension wrench must stay consistent. Do not let it loose, otherwise you need to start over. Whenever you feel one of the pins are binding, you put your thumb underneath and you push a little bit down in order to pick it. Do not to push too hard because you're gonna over pick it. After you pick it, you must go back to it and check that it's springy and it's not flat, so that means it's over picked. You will have to go a few times on all of the pins. Whenever you get all of them picked, you're gonna turn the lock and it's gonna look like that. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, I have another video with decoding the lock to cut the key. And please let me know in the comments below if you want me to upload it. I can show you in detail how to decode with Lishi, and the rest of the process, how to make sure we have a cut key that works on the door. Thank you very much again.